Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial illustrates how to sell your USDT on Binance. If you want to sell your USDT on Binance, you make sure that your USDT is on your wallet and is under funding. So the first thing in this tutorial is to click on your wallet, then you verify if your USDT is under your funding section. So once it is now under your funding section, you will now proceed and you go to home. So when you go to home, the next step in this video is to click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, you see the list of all available vendors, but since we are not buying, we're going to sell. You click on the sell icon up there. So now once you click on the sell icon, you see an option amount. So you click on the drop down. You now input the amount you want to sell. So now once you input the amount, you proceed and you click on payment method. You click on bank transfer as the only option. Then you will now check for all the people sending that are ready to sell their USDT on the same range with what you want. So at this point in time, you click on max, you are selling all. Then you select a payment method. You now click on your account details. You now proceed and you click on sell USDT. This process will take a couple of minutes depending on the buyer. So if you want to reach out with them, you click on the chat icon up there to contact them. So let's wait for the USDT to drop. So at this point, it has already confirmed that you already made payment. So for you now to verify that yes, payment has been made, before you now proceed and release the USDT, you ought to check your bank details to verify and be certain that payment has been made to your account. So I've already opened my mobile app to check if I've received the equivalent of USDT I proposed to give out. So once after doing that, you refresh your account, you now proceed to your Binance. So you now click on the chat button up there. You now click on payment received. So once you now click on payment received, you now scroll down and click on payment received as well. So now the option now is that I have received and verified the amount. So you click on the second option, then you click on verify. At this stage, you'll be required to verify using your security method. In my own case, I'm using my fingerprints. So once you're done with the verification, that is it. You've succeeded in selling a couple of USDT from your Binance, and then Binance team will now release the exact numbers of USDT from your account. Remember to subscribe if this video is helpful. Thank you.